This video is about the radical mechanism. Radicals follow a three-step mechanism. Step 1 is initiation, step 2 is propagation, and step 3 is termination. During the initiation step, a weak bond homolytically cleaves to yield our initial radical. In step 2, the initial radical will react with our molecule of interest to form a new radical, and this will continue occurring until we reform the initial radical, completing a chain. This is why we refer to this as a chain reaction. This reaction keeps going on until two radicals meet each other. This is step 3, or termination. The termination step can be the combination of any two radicals to cancel out the radicals. In the next couple of videos, we'll look into more details for each step.